Okay, I've removed all the track now, so this is going to be rebuilt. Some of the wood's gone rotten here, so these boards I'm going to replace are going to be wider as well. Also got to remove these signals as well, so I've got to take the wiring up. So basically I've done like a Dr. Beeching on here. All the track's gone, and a bit overgrown up there, so I've got to cut that back as well. So all this will be renewed. This is all going to be replaced. I've been given some materials, some more wood and some felt covering to protect it from the weather. So I was going to rip this up completely, but I'm going to rebuild this again with hopefully more lasting materials on here. Some new track I'm going to put in here. I'll use some of the old track as well. The branch onto the outside track I've taken up, obviously before the tunnel there, the track. There's a point here. I'm going to take this up and move that outside eventually, which is going to be a tricky one because the curvature of the double track coming through the tunnel is too sharp. Wasn't happy with that, so that's going to go outside, so it can be a single line with a passing loop, a very long passing loop onto the outside, so it will look like double track. I found a way of putting a point motor outside. I hope it'll work, because obviously the conditions outside with the damp and the wet, but I found a way of doing it hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. So the track's up there into the tunnel, block the tunnel for now, and that's going to be the project for this summer.